Hi guys, and welcome back to our new videos. In this video I want to share how we stay clean on the road, so check it out. So there's many ways we use to stay clean on the road, and it's really good to have a fresh shower or a hot bath. So first option, as you can see behind me, maybe just go near a hot spring. So we found this place. It's called Rupite, southwest of Bulgaria, near the Greek border. It's really amazing. It's like 50 degrees water, and we dip several times, but of course you cannot always find a hot spring. So let's see what we did in order to have a hot shower in our small van. Well, it's not inside, it's outside, but it's still a good option. Most of the new van, like the Sprinter or Ducato, they have the hot shower inside, but we don't. So let's see what we did. So if we go in the back, so let's see which elements you need in order to have a hot shower in a small van like ours. First things you need a water tank. You can have one of these, and then I can explain how it will work. Or for example, what we did last year when we rebuilt the van, we changed the purpose of the gray tank and we create a clear water tank. Water can be filled from inside the van. There's a pipe that goes just in the back, and that's where our shower is. If not, 10 liters, I think it's already enough. What you need is just to buy a €10 electric pump that you can put inside, like in the main water system that we have inside the van. Just be sure you create a cable that you can connect to the batteries to have 12 volts. The second element you need, you can come this way. The second element you need is gas. What we have down there, if you can check it, it's our new gas tank. So before we had the camping gas, but it was not so much to also have a shower. It was enough for 3 weeks for the kitchen. So with this one, it's really more easy to fill it in any LPG GPL gas station. Remember, you need to buy some adapters because each country is different. What you need else, electric pump, I tell you before. So if you have a external water tank, you can put inside a small electric pumps. What we did, so here it's our water tank, is just behind the kitchen. It was the gray tank, and we create a clear water tank, and we put outside, it seems like that big, an electric pump that can pump the water in the back. So let's see the shower. It's actually in the back of the van. All right, so if you come closer, so this is our shower system. That's where the pipe arrives from the back of the kitchen. This is the bottom that put the water up, you see? Water in, water out.
I know.
What we did else, we bought a boiler, a gas boiler that runs with 2 big batteries. So the 2 big batteries, as soon as they feel the pressure of the water, they start the flame of the gas, and after probably 5 seconds you have hot water. We have the space right here. So this is the boiler. Still got the the sign, the label. What I did, I put a screw here so I can simply put it like that. So of course, to have the shower we cannot have it inside, so we create the system to have the shower outside. What else we need in order to run the shower? We need 2 pipes, one that goes to the gas tank and the other one with the shower itself. So let's put these. All right, so these are the 2 elements we need. That's for water, and I put some quick release it's a little bit hard because it was frozen last night. So this is for the water. So one goes here and the other side it goes down here. That's it. Then we need to plug the gas, and as well on one side what we did on the gas tank, we put a T, so one pipe goes to the kitchen and the other one with the quick release like this one, it goes for the shower. So we can plug this one here. Okay, and the other one, it goes down here. So this is the pipe for the shower. I put just a piece of plastic so no dirt will get inside, and I'm gonna show you how easy it's to fit it. And the last part is just to put the shower itself. Okay, and this was the setup. Here you can regulate the pressure and the temperature of the water. As soon I start the water pump, the boiler will acknowledge the pressure of the water, and you can see the flame here, and a couple seconds later we're gonna have hot water. It starts cold, 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 hot. So
you can see the steam, yeah.
Yeah, you can see a little bit of steam. This is our, oh yeah, it's nice and hot. And then that's it. So in order to have, you know, in winter it's nice, depends on the place where you park, to have a shower outside. But if you, this one here, if you want a little bit of privacy, we bought for 20 euro a foldable tent. So this one, it's easy to open it. All right. So now you can just move it. You see it fits the height of the back door. You can just go inside, put the shower on top. We also create a system so we can put the shower on the back door, and you got the hot shower in a small T4. So this is the solution. I think that roughly it cost us about 300 euros, so it was about 150 the boiler and 150 to put the gas tank, plus maybe 50 euro more for all the pipes and connection, so let's say 350 euro, and the tent as well. So pretty much anywhere we can just, as you saw in 5 minutes, pop up the tent and have a hot shower. I hope this video helped you or inspire you. Of course, each van it's different. This is design and it took 7 years to our van, but it's a VW T4 1995 Westfalia. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.